Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel again. So our topic today is about how to get a loyalty card. Loyalty card is madali lang naman intindihin. May mga benepisyo ito, kailangan nating malaman. Pagkakaroon ng loyalty card, pwede itong maging savings account. Pwede ito ng Union Bank, and also pwede natin gamitin sa mga discount. For example, kain sa McDo, I present loyalty card, then na-discount ako ng 5%. Maraming mga partner siya na restaurant and other payment method na pwede kayo ma-discount. Just present your loyalty card ID. And also kapag gusto nyong umutang sa loyalty card, nagtapos kayo, amount na hiniram nyo ay isi-send sa loyalty card ninyo at doon yung withdraw. Also, pwede nyo siyang gamitin pang transactions pag gusto nyo payments sa Shopee, payments sa fast food, payments mall, payments for your equipments, and any kind of transactions, pwede gamitin ang loyalty card as long as na meron itong laman. So now, let's talk about the requirements. The requirements of to get loyalty card is number 1, is to valid ID Xerox, and prefer your MID pag-ibig number, which is so important para mas matrack nila at mas mamonitor nila agad yung details mo, mapabilis ang process. Then kapag tinawag na yung number mo, pupunta ka ngayon sa counter, kasi kakausapin ka saglit about your recent rework, what's your company, and kapag na-confirm na nila yun, bibigyan nila ng form, tapos ililipat ka na nila sa kabila. Union Bank Personals, dito na yung pipicturean ka, kukunan ka ng fingerprint, at also maghanda ka ng 125 pesos for the loyalty card. After mo pirmahan digital, just wait and also present your card and pay the loyalty card 125 pesos. So that's it. Kung nakuha mo ng loyalty card, pwede ka nang umuwi. Kung gusto mong fill upan yung survey nila, meron silang survey na paper na binibigay ng card. Pag na-claim mo na yung loyalty card, i-active mo siya within the day. Punta ka sa ATM Union Bank, pwede mo siyang change pin para ma-active at magamit mo as a savings account. Tatapos ang ating topic today. So if you learn some things on my YouTube channels, subscribe, like, and share, and click the notification buttons para ma-notify kayo sa mga next kong video na i-upload. At yun lamang guys. Thank you so much. Bye!